Umbraco Award for Best Editing Experience. In the category Best Editing Experience, we'd like to see how you have made the connection between front and back ends as elegant and intuitive as possible for the editor. Show us your back office setup and why editors love what you've made. And the nominees are Cold Banana with the site for Imperial Tobacco Group. With email being at the core of Imperial Tobacco Group's marketing activity, Cold Banana built upon Umbraco's intuitive editing process by building a content app where they integrated campaign functionality into Umbraco so that marketing activity is created, managed, and tracked through the application. The content app connected with the campaign pages on the website means that a complete campaign workflow is delivered and linked directly with the campaign webpage. The campaign workflow has the capability to develop a complex workflow, which means that detailed logic can be planned as part of the campaign, which in turn provides greater engagement for the consumer. For example, the birthday campaigns that automatically sent a campaign email with a free gift 5 days before your birthday. uSkinned with the project Starter Kits at uskinned.net. uSkinned Starter Kits started over 5 years ago with the aim of making Umbraco CMS more accessible to a wider audience. They wanted to produce premium starter kits that would give people from any walk of life the ability to launch an Umbraco-powered website without the need for any technical skills or support. uskinned.net is developed upon results of feedback, requests, and needs from thousands of content editors. At uSkinned, they create a consistent approach to content editing, continually striving to make the experience of working with their starter kits as seamless, intuitive, and flexible as possible in order to showcase the great power of Umbraco CMS. They now have thousands of users with different backgrounds that benefit greatly from using uSkinned starter kits to launch websites for themselves and their clients. Impact with the site for Nick Christensen Gruppen, hyundai.dk. Nick Christensen is one of Scandinavia's largest car distributors and is comprised of many brands and dealers, all of which contributed to an editing experience that made it difficult to ensure consistency, use of data across brands, and platform scalability, and ultimately prevented them from reaching their goals of increased online visibility and acquiring more leads. In the attempt to improve this editing experience across brands and their respective web editors, the solution was to build a platform with an intuitive rich text editor grid in which the content blocks and columns in the grid have been entirely customized to the type of content created by the editors, hereby optimizing the editing experience and ensuring seamlessness.